That's weird. Twitch says I've been streaming 28 hours. Nice. Yeah, nice, nice. Let me get some volume going here, a little bit on the music. A little bit better. Nice. Alright. I'm about to do some more search engine stuff. I want to do Kubernetes though, because we did, what did we do? On Friday, I don't remember everything on Friday. It was a blur, but I feel like we didn't really do much on deploying. Let me see. By the way, I fixed that vulnerability, I think. What did we do on Friday? Some progress. Autocomplete is... Oh, we did autocomplete. Yeah, we did autocomplete. So we did a bunch of Svelte stuff. Yeah, a bunch of Svelte stuff. So I want to do Kubernetes, though. I want to deploy this thing to Kubernetes itself. Because ACI, when we were trying ACI before, I think that was a couple weeks ago, ACI wasn't doing it for us. There was that weird thing where we hacked around it somewhere. I forget where. Where did we hack around it? Oh, it was in a Docker file. Yeah, we had to move all of our shit into the root. We had to move like /views. We had to move our views from here into... Yeah, we had to move it like into the root because ACI was messing something up, unfortunately. Let me change some volume here. Go a little bit less over here so I don't go crazy. All right, right on. Yeah, so I don't know what's gonna happen here. I don't know if we're gonna fix it with Kubernetes, but I like doing Kubernetes. I like reinventing the wheel. I like over-engineering stuff, and what better place to do that than a stream? So, first dealie is I need to be able to Docker push. Yeah, I've got Docker push going pretty decently. Yeah, pretty good. Okay. So what I want to get to is basically in here. I want to do etc views. Oh wait. Oh, etc views. I need this to go to bin go search, and then bin go search front end blah 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 blah. That's our JavaScript and CSS output. Okay, yeah, like me some music coding. Yeah, all right. So I think this will do it. I think this is pretty good. Let's do a make Docker push. Make Docker push. And then, do we have a Helm chart? We don't have a Helm chart for this. I'm gonna make a Helm chart too, because of course I am. We're talking about over-engineering here. I mean, we're gonna do it. We might as well do it if we're gonna do it. Let me go steal someone else's Helm chart. This is my go-to. It's my go-to project to steal all the codes. I think I have this checked out, so I'm just gonna copy it straight up. Oh, I gotta start up the bot. There we go. Run. Nice. It's broke. It's broken. Why are you broken today? The bot is broke today. What happened, bot? Well, let's hack on the bot for just a second. What is wrong with you, bot? Did I break the bot before I bailed yesterday? I feel like I did not. Oh, I gotta change the project anyway. I gotta change the project anyway. So examples. AaronBot 5000 project. Hacking on Kubernetes. Let's call it deploying apps to Kubernetes. All right, and then we should be able to keep running this thing and restart it. Using config, got you, okay. And why are you failing, EricBot Dev? Twitch. I'm about to just bail on this. Let's see. Nope. No dice on that one either. Did we get the right thing? Let's get rid of these and just go with me to see if that'll fix it. Oh, let me see if I have my Twitch tokens. Pretty sure I do. Okay. Okay. Where's the code? The actual code. Close others. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna bail on this for now. EricBot Dev is running, but it might not be working. That will be a bummer, but whatever. Let's try to get this Kubernetes. We want to go do some Kubernetes, so let's do some Kubernetes. So we made Docker build. Okay. Now we're gonna Docker run. We're gonna Docker run what? This thing. And what do we gotta do? We gotta do Docker run -p. What port is it? 3000. -p 3000. Okay, Bing search key now. That's right. Okay. It's not. Oh yeah. I gotta pass it in. Okay. So. Oh. 80. I thought it was supposed to be 3000. Why did I do it on... Why did I expose 3000? 80. Okay. Let's do that. Let's set an environment variable. Or equals 8080 if os.get and the port is not empty. Port equals os.get env port. And then we're gonna we're gonna do port stir equals fump.sprintf colon and then the port. I was just watching Eric's stream. I like the way Rust does those format strings a lot better than Go. Port stir. Did I miss? Oh, okay. Well, and then let me log. Running, go search on port Okay. We're gonna set env port env port 8080, and then what up, Zanus? Good to see you. Were you just on Eric's stream? I know he's still doing. He's still rusting, right? I was gonna overlap with him a bit today. We gotta do a Docker build. Where are you? Yeah, nope. He's being too slow at hosting. That's all good. We gotta do make Docker build. And do I have a make Docker run command? Maybe not. I'll just do. Oh, I have a make Docker run. Right on. Oh, but that leaks my shit. I started playing music, I don't know, a couple streams ago, probably, maybe 2 weeks ago. Is there a way with Makefiles? Is there a way with Makefiles to hide an environment variable so I don't leak this key? Hide an environment, or hide output with Makefile. Suppress and ignore. Tips for silencing make. Let's try Stack Overflow. Why, Xanos, are you hearing it? What up, Eric.dev? Thank you for the raid. Good to see you. Actually, oh, nice. You can do @command and then or colon. Turn it down. Alright, I can do that. Still trying to get my levels right. Always. What up, Eric? Good to see you. Thank you for the raid. Much appreciated. EricBotDev is broken. I don't know what changed since yesterday, but it is broken. But I'm trying to do some Kubernetes today. So, yeah. I'm not going to fix it. I'm not going to fix it right now. But I will. Maybe I'll have time to fix it today. Why don't you all have what's programmer's hair, GDB? Eric's was broken too, but he had to recompile. Yeah, I did. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I changed the gain. How about that? Might be a little bit better. I changed the gain on it because why not fiddle with stuff, right? Yeah, what's programmer's hair, GGB? I have no hair, but I can put on a wig, maybe. Maybe that's my game. I'll put on like a mullet wig. That's what I'm gonna do. What was I? Oh, yeah. All right, so I want to run make Docker run, but I don't want to keep leaking my my Bing search key. I've had to rotate it like 5 times now because I've leaked it on stream and on like video calls at work. So I don't want to rotate it anymore. GZB, oh, that's too nice. Thank you. Thank you. X message, thank you so much for the follow. Much appreciated. So leaky, Rockaboo. It's like a bucket with no bottom. Not just a hole, but just a cylinder. You just pour water and it comes right out the bottom. Yeah, McCanch, EricBotDev is broken. No sounds today. I blame Eric. It's, yeah, see, command executed. Oh, wait a second. What? So it doesn't recognize project. Rockaboo, no, I'm running it straight up command line. Well, I'm doing browser source, but it should be printing out messages from Twitch, like on any chat. Oh yeah, no sound. I don't have sounds hooked up yet. But oh, McCanch. OS is not available apparently. GZB, I am making a Kubernetes deployment. I'm trying to deploy a thing to. I'm trying to deploy the search engine that I work on Friday. I'm trying to deploy that to Kubernetes because I promised Kubernetes today. But I also am trying to get the bot working because I've been trying to get. Well, I've got the bot working with Eric on yesterday. Yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to get the bot because I mean, come on, we need a bot. Bots are necessary. But yeah, I don't know. What do you all want to see? You want to see Kubernetes or bot development? Because I'm on the fence. I could go either way, honestly. If the bot worked, then obviously we wouldn't be doing botting. I'm gonna do some bot. Why not? I'm gonna do some bot. Let's close this down for now. Open up some Eric bot dev goodness. And all right, let's run the bot. Go build. Do we have a make file in here? You gotta have a make file, right? Yeah, Jennifer couldn't beat her today. She's in Zenus. She's in Northern California. She got super affected by the smoke from the fires, so she went to a place that had better air quality. Yeah, there's a lot of smoke down there. It'll probably eventually get up here too. That's happened in the past. It's just like whatever the winds do. I don't know how the winds work. They blow stuff away or towards stuff. So if the latter happens, we're gonna get a bunch of smoke up here. It should be a super bummer as well. So yeah, she couldn't beat her day. I am on my own. So yeah, let's do some botting. Why not? I'm about to create a make file, and then we're gonna do a run command. Go build -o Eric bot dev and Eric bot dev run. All right. Cool. So it looked like Mccanch, you ran commands. That's a built-in. So built-in commands, me props. So what is props Mccanch? Did I spell that wrong? Oh, MCCANNCH. My bad. Did I still spell it wrong? Maybe. Yeah, props doesn't work either. Yeah, okay. No props either. Give points command. Oh, it just took a while. Did it just take a while? That should say error. Yeah, that was okay. That was you. That's interesting too. It prints out. I do have a bot account, but where do you Oh, maybe I need to put in the bot account's credentials. I probably need to do that. I have a notes file somewhere. To-dos, bot credentials. It's broken. Zanus, is that you? Is that you trying to make me rotate my keys again? I'll just, yeah, I'm gonna PR, Eric. I'm gonna PR a change to you that just lets people run arbitrary shell commands from the bot. All right, it's broken. Right on. That's good. It's broken. All right. So Twitch say, where were we here? Built-in commands is referenced. References. I put up my secrets? Where? No did I? Again? Did I do it again? Did I? I don't see it here. Did I pull it up on the code? Okay. Alright, execute command. Right, okay. Built-in commands, log it, executing built-in command. I'll put up my secrets and sort out the end. Yeah, Never. I'll try to never do that. All right, execute command. Command cmd dot command. Oh, dot command. Okay, that's all we need. Otherwise, log looking for command cmd dot command. And then status dot streaming. That's what I have to do. That's what I have to do. Streaming mode -s. Okay, I forgot about that. And you have to be able to, so you have to do that. We also want to be able to mark an individual command offline. Okay, right on. Okay, so I'm gonna add that to this. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, so it's not broken anymore. We're done. We got that. And we're gonna get some meme action. Not meme. We're gonna get some emoji action right now. Boom. It's broken. Bot credentials. I'll get to that. Generic browser source. I think we're gonna do that now. Why not? I'll make the uptime command built in. That's a lower hanging fruit. Where did I put that? Uptime. Okay. So we're gonna go to built-ins. And we're gonna do built-in commands, and we're gonna do an uptime. And where do we have an uptime? There's an uptime command. Uptime action. Okay. Rockerboo, you're killing it. You are killing it. So we're in bot, and Twitch is in package Twitch. So we're gonna want to do twitch.uptime. We've got to export that. Uptime action. Maybe we should move. We should probably move this. I think that'll work. Say a prayer. Can we move this? I'm gonna just make a new file because why not? Package bot. Okay. We're in the bot package already. So we don't need to like fully qualify these anymore. Config.main channel. Oh, this is that config dealio. Config. No, we're good. We're good on that. .main channel. Why not? It doesn't have a main channel. There's probably a config inside of the Twitch module too that has the main channel in it. Yeah. All right, where is that? We'll export it, I guess. Config redeclared in this block. Yeah, I'll do. Did I do a get config before? I did it somewhere. So func get config config. Rockerboo, what error? You have a frustrating error. You want a TypeScript, buddy? I like TypeScript. I cannot help you, but I would like to see what the error is for sure. Here we go with some Godoc. Eric, this is for you if you're still around. Get config returns the internal Twitch. Returns the Twitch module configuration. The event is missing from the missing the following properties from the file reader event: length, computable, loaded, and total. Type event is missing. Type event is missing the following properties. Does that mean just like data fields that are not in that or something? Eric.dev, this Godoc is for you. I think this is the second Godoc that we have in here. No, Rockerboo, not worried at all. Not worried at all. You'll figure it out. If you're anything like the beast of fixing my problems in these streams, you'll figure it out. Oh, you're not using those fields. You just want to implement the thing you're using. Oh, gotcha. Can you like subclass it maybe? Something like that? So where is uptime? Okay, so we need twitch.getConfig.main channel. I swear, oh, that's because it's a function. And now I'm just gonna straight up do this. Twitch config equals twitch.get config. We can shorten that up a little bit. Twitch config. Okay, client.say, that's over in Twitch too. And this is gonna be called uptime. Oh shit, wait. These take it, so these commands take in a CMD. This thing is straight up, just do this. Oh, am I just totally screwed on this? Action. Args channel. Wait, what? So we have a var channel. Then we look in args. Is the only place we use args? I think that's the only place we use args. So maybe we can get rid of this for now. And then where were we? Client.say channel. Channel. What channel do we want? Is that maybe Twitch config.main channel? We'll just straight up, I don't know, straight up put it out to the main channel. I don't know what the difference is between the args channel and the main channel. Okay, so we've got our uptime command now. Haha, Rocker Boo worked. Nice. When in doubt, be lazy. Then we need to do func get client twitch.client return client. Get client returns the Twitch client. Yeah, Eric, I had this action here, and this came from a Twitch command in the Twitch module for uptime. So it was getting the argument, or it was getting the channel out of the args, but then in built-ins there is no action. There's no action type that's passed in. So there's no way to get that channel. So instead I'm just doing a main channel. I'm just like printing the uptime out to the main channel, I guess. Twitch.getClient. Oh, you're trying to go from unknown through a file reader so the types aren't there. You're doing runtime value checking of the unknown to validate. Oh, that sounds dirty. That sounds annoying and dirty. I don't envy you. But you'll get there. I know you'll get there. Oh, built-in should still do it, Eric. It should tell you the channel the command was triggered on. Oh, for real? Like help command params. Command args 0. Okay. So what's in params? Oh, dot channel. I can just do dot channel probably, yeah. CMD dot channel. Let's try that. Instead of the whole main channel thing. Twitch config main channel, Twitch config main channel, Twitch config main channel. I think that maybe. That'd be cool if we could even factor out the Twitch client. Then we wouldn't have to even take a dependency on Twitch, on the Twitch module, I mean. Let's try it. Import cycle. That's it again. All right. So the bot relies on modules. The module relies back on bots. So we gotta swap out the Twitch client. I think we gotta break it out. Oh yeah, and we gotta get rid of this too. Definitely evil. We're learning how to get the bot running on my channel. And then I'm adding some new commands. What else am I doing? Yeah, I'm trying to add a built-in command for uptime for the amount of time that I've been running or I've been streaming. Funny enough, when I first started this stream just now, well, 30 minutes ago, Twitch told me I had been streaming for 28 hours. So that's pretty cool. I guess I had been streaming since I actually stopped the last stream. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to make a uptime command for how long I've been streaming. Then I'm gonna move on to sounds, like the browser source stuff, and sounds. 24-hour challenge. I beat the 24-hour challenge. I should have screenshotted it too. Okay, so what was I? Oh yeah, okay. So we've got an uptime command, and it needs get Helix client. No, we can't. We don't want the Helix client. We need the Twitch client. So I'm gonna put it out into a new directory. I'm gonna do client.go package Twitch, and where is the client? So client equals twitch.new client config.main channel config.get OAuth token. So we're gonna get back into that. Oh boy. So this is accepting incoming Twitch events. So I could probably just break this out. So var clients Twitch dot clients func init oh, we probably need, what's up Team View Select, thank you for the raid, good to see everybody, much appreciated. Syntax Erroneous, thank you so much for the follow, much appreciated as well. So we need to do a get client, twitch.get client. GDF, thank you so much for the follow as well. We've got some configs too. Oh, Eric, I might have to be breaking a ton of this out, which I'm okay with. Yeah, let's break the config out too. So we're gonna take the Twitch. Yeah, we'll just do the config in here too. So we have a get client. I think we can just do a get client, hang it off the end of the config. And oh, TeamView Select. I got the channel points feature from this bot that I got from Eric.dev. It stores points in this database, bot.db. Long term, though, what I want, and me and Eric talked about this too, is to split the bot out into a hosted part that has like the channel data, the points database for the currency and the economy. And then a client part that hooks up to that to do like a bunch of stuff, to like do the browser integration, so you can do sounds on your machine and all that good stuff, and maybe some other stuff. We'll see. I don't know. We're not there yet anyway, but I don't know exactly what we're gonna end up doing. So we're gonna return twitch.new client, c.main channel, c.get OAuth token. All right. Get client returns a Twitch client for this config. I'm only doing Godox, by the way, just because this yellow squiggly annoys me. TeamView Select. All right, so there's a Twitch bot that I think it's still broken. Yeah. It's got a compile error. So what's going on is I am trying to make a command that... Oh, you write Python, Node.js, HTML, CSS, and JS. Nice. We'll get to some JS in a second. Actually, HTML, CSS, and JS. Right now, this is Go. I've got to fix up a problem that I made trying to build a command that will show the uptime. For how long I've been streaming. It's super broken right now. So working on fixing that for sure. All right, so we're gonna break that. Oh yeah, we're gonna delete it. The prefix is gonna be uptime after the bot is running. So get config. Yeah, I say broken, you say feature. Yeah, pretty much. You can dress it up however you want. Client equals blah. Okay. Where do we get the config? Oh, the config is here. Init. Okay. So we initialize the Twitch module. Okay. JSON.onMarshall. And where... Oh, wait a second. Nice, TeamView Select. You made a Twitch bot that can stress IP addresses through stress them. That sounds like a DDoS waiting to happen. Not that I'm complaining. It's pretty awesome still. Alright. Oh, this was Eric's stuff that he was doing. It passes in the raw JSON like AST. Where was that? Load config. Decode. Config. Oh, this is the bot config. Okay, and then we do a bunch of inits. Nice, it also has Alexa functionalities. Nice. So we do a bunch of inits. We call m.init module init func. Takes in a JSON raw message. So what we need to do is probably... I guess we probably need to, well, we need to somehow get that JSON raw message in to, where was it? It was in the Twitch module. Yeah, so we have to somehow get it into here. Maybe I'm doing this the wrong way, because this is crazy. Crazy shit. This is crazy shit. Just making a module that registers. Yeah, the problem is that I wanted to make uptime a built-in. That was the problem. So if I make it a module that registers itself, like how do I get the uptime command to be built in? That's what I'm struggling with, at least. Oh, would I do bot.register module? Just right there. Oh, wait. Oh, maybe I'll try that. Eric.dev. Nice. Maybe I'll try that. I should stop saying Eric.dev. I keep saying that. It's funny, man. Alright, we're gonna blow this all away. We're gonna blow it all away. That's loud. That is loud. Oh, nice. Nice, Rockerboo. That's super cool. So what is this? Oh, info and extension callbacks for built-in language server protocol. LSP, language server protocol, right? Or is that some NeoVim lingo? My bad, TeamView. I will stop with those sounds. Okay. Yeah, good call. I'm a mess today. System sounds, goodbye. Yeah, language server protocol, nice. Right on. Okay, and then what else we got? We need to keep the make file. We're gonna get rid of uptime. I'm gonna delete it. Yes, I'm gonna delete it. Okay. So we were gonna do this. We were gonna try auto registering an uptime command, but is this already built in? Did I already do that? Am I an idiot? What if I take this out? No. Command not found uptime. So why is it in here? Oh, this is the action that uptime. This is the Twitch action. Okay. So if I have this, how would I do a built-in? We've got an uptime action, bot.register module. Can we do this? What does the command look like again? cmd. That's a params. And then error. TeamView select. What kind of package main do you mean? Okay. We've got our params, and now we need to do bot.register module. No, because we still need to import uptime action that way. I might need to scrap this and go on to some JS goodness. Yeah, I think... Oh, because the bot needs the Helix client, or the Twitch module needs the Helix client, and then the bot can't use the Twitch module. Oh, okay. Oh, that's the only thing you know in Go. I got you. Well, here you go. This is open source, by the way. This is all here. So you can check out all the Go you want. The fork that I'm working off of is here. It's not, I mean, it's not like, some of it is beginners Go, but not all of it. So beware. But yeah, if you've got questions, I'll be back on, I should be back on Monday doing beginners Go stuff. If my molar, my impacted wisdom teeth surgery goes okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm bailing on this. I'm gonna bail on this, and I'm gonna go and do funner stuff. We're gonna do browser source. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. All right. We are gonna do sounds. Oh, we didn't even do sounds yet. Or we didn't even do any of this other stuff yet, but I want to do sounds, so let's do it. Yeah, Eric.dev. Ha, Eric. I don't know if it's actually necessary. It's kind of like a nice to have, I think, to get the uptime command built in. But yeah, let's collaborate on that or other stuff. Doesn't really matter to me. TeamView Select, can I bring my bot in the chat? Not yet, not right now, because I want to make sure that there's no other bots while I hack on this thing. Okay, so we were doing Rickroll before. I kind of want to do Rickroll. That'd be fun. Did we have... We had a Rickroll thing somewhere. Yeah, Twitch Rickroll. This is a Rickroll. We have it somewhere in here. Yeah, Rickroll. Rickroll command. Doesn't use... What do you mean, TeamView Select? Doesn't use what? Alright, so we're going to broadcast an http.rickroll message. Oh, the prefix is nightmare. I got you. Alright, well, let's do that a little later. I want to focus on this. Well, actually, how would you want to do that, TeamView Select? How do you want to add the bot? Oh, Eric, I can make a branch with this. This is all off of main, basically, on my repo. If you want me to make a branch, I could. Just let me know. Alright, so we're broadcasting an http.rickroll message, and then we were going into Svelte. Oh yeah, TeamView Select, that's all good if you want to do that. I thought you wanted me to run your bot. Oh, the bot is spammy? I mean, I'm good to try. If it's spammy, it's spammy. We can kick it out. Append chat was there. Okay. So we had another thing. The alert was what was... Wasn't the alert what was doing the... What we wanted to do the Rickroll was? Oh, the chat in your channel was almost unusable. Interesting. Alright, TeamView Select. We have 2 people against your bot. So I vote no. Alright, so the WebSocket is doing stuff. Process message is what's setting the alert. So we want else if message.type equals http.rickroll. And then we're going to do... So last time we did an alert. Or we tried to use alert, but alert is all about showing text. Yeah, so let's do something else. Let's just make a straight up image. Image src equals image src. And then we're going to create an image. Actually, right now, though, we're going to do image... What was it called again? Image src equals Rickroll image. There we go. Oh, yeah, I see. So TeamView Select, you were looking to test it. Yeah, you can do that. You can have it sit in your own channel and just check out how it works. I had been doing that a bit with this one earlier today. But yeah, I mean, all roads lead to bots. That's what I learned from yesterday. Who was it? Eric. I think Eric told me. Every programmer in Twitch either has written a bot or is writing a bot. So we've got an image now. We're gonna straight up copy alert. Where is it located? It's under web source components. And then we're gonna do an image.svelte. Should probably make it more generic where it's like a splash image or something. An ARD can be passed for the config. The ARD can be passed from the config. Oh, all the way down the WebSocket. Is that what you mean? It can be passed down the WebSocket for what the image is, and then it would not have to be hard coded like a Rickroll action. Yeah, I mean, I'm for that. Let me try to get this working. I'm all for that though. Image source is not defined. We've got to rename that to image source. I'm just gonna call it image. Why not? Wait, image is not. Oh, I'll call it splash image, like you said, Eric. Splash. You're not there anymore. Or you're not there at all? Splash image. So we're gonna just take all of this and we're gonna say if source, and we're gonna do this image source equals source alt equals splash image. Screen readers already announce image elements as an image. Is it gonna yell at me for not having an alt? Yeah. Okay, that's fine. It probably just looked for the image substring, I guess, in the alt tag. Okay, so web npm run dev. Okay. So do I have where's the bot? Executed Rickroll. Okay. I did indeed execute Rickroll. When does the bot have hot reloading of the config? Good question. I don't think we do, but let's add it to notes. Hot reloading of bot config. So let's reload some. Yeah, we've got a WebSocket here. Can we see? I assume this is where we see messages coming down the pike. Maybe not. I don't know. Is this it? Headers. This is it. Messages. This is JavaScript. 100% JavaScript, everybody. Is there a console error? Let's do one of these. Oh, slash image. Duh. That's my typo. I should have listened to this thing. Splash image not defined. It's not. Oh, now it's spelled right, but it's still not defined. Oh, because I have to import it. That's why. Import splash image. Let's try it now. I'm surprised this thing doesn't tell me. Oh, it does tell me. Oh, man. Image source not defined. Let image source. And now we're good. Are we good? Yeah, we're good. Cool. It's always that. It's always something you forgot. Like importing or a semicolon or something else stupid like that. No Rickroll message coming in though. I don't think. Just a chat message. Okay. Where's the WebSocket code again? Return. Play sound. Rickroll. Play sound message. That's gotta be JSON. Chat, where's chat coming? I know there's a WebSocket endpoint in here. WS, serve WS. Upgrades, client hub.register. It passes the client into client.hub.register. Where is client? Oh, it's up here. So you've got a hub. Register requests from clients. Okay. Okay. Allow collection of memory referenced by the caller by doing all work in new Go routines. Go write pump. This is the new Go routine. This is sending, oh, this is sending JSON down. Okay. Okay, so broadcast message. We've got a bunch of things here. We've got a bunch of broadcast messages. Play sound. Gotta say, I love the idea of WebSockets, but every time I work with them, they hurt me. Same here. You're witnessing it firsthand right now. 100% brutal sometimes to work. Well, not sometimes. A lot of times to work with. Okay. The thing is, I feel like WebSockets are like not the right level of abstraction. I feel like if you're doing WebSockets, you're doing like the web equivalent of building TCP almost. Like you're like figuring out framing, you're figuring out what the encoding should be, you're building a streaming RPC system. It's too much. I feel like it's too much for like a web app developer like me right now. There's got to be something on top of it. I know it's not WebSockets, but I know gRPC streaming is pretty good. It's not for the web really. It's more for backend stuff. But if there was something like that where you can generate code that takes care of all the RPC stuff, figures out what the streaming abstraction should be, that would be awesome. But yeah, exactly, Xenius. There needs to be at least one step in between. Absolutely. Oh shit. I have a meeting in 30 minutes. Man, should have started earlier today. All right, let's see if we can get this done in 30 minutes. Okay, we're trying to broadcast that message. Why is that not working? Broadcast message. Oh, wait, what is message? That's just an interface because that's supposed to be JSON. So we've got to find, sounds like a new project. Definitely Evil. I'm not opposed to it. I've got quite a few projects lined up. But I mean, it'd actually be kind of cool to build it in here. So not a generic thing, but like, yeah, definitely Evil. Generic WebSockets abstraction to do streaming RPC. Yeah, you're piling up the work, definitely Evil. I like it. I'm not even mad. All right, so broadcast message. Why the hell are you not working? Log broadcast message that thing. Okay. Wait, what? What did I change? Oh, now I remember. Oh, compiling shaders for Vulkan. Damn, that's awesome. Time for a break. Enjoy your break, Rockerboo. Now I remember. All right, so we can't do a Rickroll built-in. That's just the sad truth. We can't do a Rickroll built-in. So What do we need? We need a more generic thing, I think. I think we need a more generic thing. Let's see how do we do sounds? And maybe that'll inform us on how to send something else down to the browser. Sounds, bot play sound. So we can probably do a bot send image or something like that. Definitely Eagle. What is an RN app? Oh yeah, I see Xander's. Yeah, GIF or image. So let's create a bot send image. I think that might be the deal. Where is bot play sound? Okay, play sound action. Okay, HTTP broadcast message. All right, so now we are gonna do a func send image action a bot.action cmd bot.params, and then we're gonna do a bar s string bar okay bool straight. Oh, React Native. I got you, definitely. Never used React Native. I've used Flutter a bit. I hear Flutter and React Native are similar, like they have a similar point to them. But I've never checked out React Native. I haven't done it yet. FreeSize81, thank you so much for the follow. Much appreciated. Okay. So we're going to do image URL, argument, image URL is required. Check media directory to ensure sound exists. Also ensure path traversal. Oh man. Also ensure path traversal is accounted for. We are gonna keep this. And instead of a play sound message, we're gonna do a type show image message source. Let's call this source URL. And then back down over here, we're going to do a show image message source S. Hosting locally makes sense for verification if you just want to completely reskin sounds. Yeah, I think so. I think you're right. Oh, approval? Hosting locally makes sense for approval? Is that what you mean? Want to look like things, I wanted to look at things like Flutter versus React Native, but the PM told my recommendation of cross-platform is only React Native, so now we're locked in. I like to just say how it is. It's write HTML and JS for mobile apps, basically. That's pretty nice. I mean, it's cool to write just HTML and JS. I'm assuming you write like the JSX kind of thing. Flutter, you got to learn Dart, and then you like, it kind of reminded me of back in like the Java Swing days, the way you have to write that code. It's kind of annoying, honestly, because you have to do like, I don't know, like create, whatever, like Flutter UI dot create pane dot add child dot text dot Flutter UI dot create text box dot blah blah blah. So like just to get a blank screen on the page with like a hello world in it is, I don't even know. I think it's 30 or 40 lines of code. So that's a bummer. Lots of dots, yeah. Okay, so send image action. We're gonna get rid of our Rickroll. And now we're gonna go to our config. And we've got our commands, uptime, dangerously, Rickroll. Okay. It's gonna be a bot. And what did we call it again? Bot show image command, I think. Shell exec. Oh, did I not register it yet? Send image action. Show image. Okay. Bot show image, and then that needs props. Parts And now, now where are we at? Show image needs an image URL. Okay, image URL. Where are you, Mr. Rick? Okay. Definitely evil. You first learned programming. You originally learned C++. Me too. Then Java, then Swift, then C# and C all at the same time. That's quite a big order. All those dots aren't really a problem to me, at least. You like strongly typed languages. Me too. Yeah. You know a few of the other developers that you're working on with this project, like JS, because it isn't strongly typed. Yeah, you know, there's for the longest time I didn't think that strongly typed languages had any place in programming, because they just open you up for so many problems that you could have just, the compiler could have just taken care of for you. But yeah, this thing, you know, the untyped languages have a place to get something done quick. And now I feel like today we got these things like MyPy and Sorbet for Ruby and TypeScript, obviously, and they all bring the safety of typed languages. They don't bring the performance of compiled languages, like a lot of typed languages happen to be compiled. So they don't bring that performance, but they bring that safety along for the ride. And I think that's a really good middle ground between the untyped, most of the time interpreted languages, and the hardcore, strongly typed, compiled languages that have a ton more syntax, like all those dots. I feel like it's a good middle ground. I just started doing a bunch of Python using MyPy, but there's also a new Python plugin for VS Code. And it uses a different backend. Is it this? I've got it in here somewhere. So it's the Python extension. It uses the, it's called Pylance. Pylance. This is, Pylance is the Python extension. Pywrite is the static checker. So this is I don't know, I don't want to say competitor. It's a different option than MyPy, but it does pretty much the same thing. It's an LSP, it's a language server protocol server, and it does type checking, some IntelliSense stuff, some autocomplete stuff, and it can add imports for you automatically to your Python code. So this is everything you would need to get a strongly typed language. It doesn't compile it, obviously, but it gets almost everything else. So I really like that. I think I'm way more productive in Python because I have that comfort of being able to write down my types in functions and so forth. Oh, you did C# and C at the same time. You had a Unity project where you had to implement at-risk encryption for Unity. Nice. You had to implement it for Android and iOS instead of learning Objective-C. Yeah, you just wrote the underlying thing in C. I worked at a game company that had their game engine and all their network layer all written in C++. It was a beast to get it integrated with Objective-C, and then even worse to integrate it with Java. This was before Kotlin for Android. But once we did it, it was kind of nice. Yeah, it was nice to have it all one place. Even though C and C++, they have a reputation. They're still everywhere, and they're still really solid and good languages. Does Facebook have Pyre that does the same thing with Python? I don't know. Let's see. Performant type checker for Python 3. There you go. Alternative. That's the word, Eric. Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like we've got 3 alternatives. We've got MyPy, at least 3. MyPy, Pyre, and Pylance. And these all follow. This is the one thing I think Python did really awesome. They created one enhancement improvement. Actually, they created 3 that are like progressively more all-encompassing of your code. So this one is I think this one is the most important one. This is the syntax that lets you specify a variable. This was for Python 2. This is the syntax you use for Python 2. For Python 3, it's built into the language like this. And I'm super into it because there are 3 implementations now. It's very Unixy. It's a standard, and then there are 3 implementations, and you just choose the one that works for you. The VS Code one comes built in with Pylance and Pyrite. You can plug this one in or MyPy to your CI. I've never used this, but I've used the other 2, and it's super awesome. Both of them are super awesome. Xanus, you learned Objective-C the year Swift came out. Ouch! Ouch. I learned Objective-C back in the day. I haven't learned Swift. I'm kind of interested in it. I started playing around with Swift on the server, so I learned some. But Swift on the server for Linux too, like it's not, I don't know, it's not quite there. Wish all mobile development were just moved to Kotlin. I really like it. Well, that sounds like a new project too. Get a Kotlin transpiler to Swift. And now you got Android and iOS all in one code base. Kotlin code base. Somebody already did that? Kotlin for iOS. JetBrains. They did it? Use the Kotlin you already wrote and modify it to be compatible with iOS. What? Now that is cool. That is cool. JetBrains did make Kotlin. Apparently they made this too. Kotlin for cross-platform development. JetBrains is an awesome company, and I'm not surprised that they made a really cool and productive language, to be honest with you. There's a changelog episode on that. I wonder if I can find it. Kotlin. There you go. This is a great episode from the creator, well, one of the co-creators of Kotlin. I think JetBrains hired this guy like specifically to build Kotlin, because he's a really well-known person in the programming language world, and so they hired him. Create us a new language. First thing in the lesson we were told was Swift just came out, but they were still going to learn Objective-C just for concepts. Oh, so was it learning programming, or was it specific to learn Objective-C? If you're writing in the JVM, you can bring any Java library, basically your Kotlin code. Yeah, that's huge. I did Scala for a while, and Scala was like that too. I was super cool. That was super cool. Oh, an iOS development class. Yeah, they should have. Maybe they just didn't have any Swift material yet or something. All right, I got 15 minutes, so let me try to get this working. Oh, the bot is importing HTTP still. I think that's the problem. We gotta get rid of this rickroll command. Alright. Alright, so... Okay, it broadcasted. Sweet. Did it receive it? Show image. Okay. Cool. The UI of the dev environment in terms of the GUI didn't change with Swift. I don't think so. I know it's all Xcode still. When I played with Swift for iOS, I built like a little app with an Apple map on it. And the only difference between that and Objective-C, at least from Objective-C in 2009, was they have a cross-platform, like iOS, iPad, or iPhone, iPad, so different screen sizes and resolutions. And also, I think their aim is to be able to let you build Mac OS apps too with the same code base. But anyway, their interface, like their UI definition language, is not interface builder anymore. It's a different thing, and it's got a more like, it's got this integrated UI builder that you can graphically hook up callbacks to and all that. So same programming environment, but the UI development inside of Xcode, the way you lay out the screen and stuff, that is different, and I could not wrap around my head around it. I think it's because I have to unlearn Interface Builder. I'm used to the pain of Interface Builder, and I have to unlearn that pain. My PTSD. Yeah, drag and drop. Yeah, for sure. But then you get an IXB. Was it an IXB or .ib? I mean, maybe it's an .ib file, and you gotta like check that in and deal with the diffs, and it's not. I didn't enjoy it. Put it that way. Okay, so we got the WebSocket. The WebSocket message down. So where's my app.txt or app.svelte? Okay, so we got it down. Now we've got a splash image somewhere, and do I have the Svelte plugin? Does this work? Yes. Got a main, got a splash image. Source is null. All right, so if I do this, source is still set to null. Oh, this time it doesn't come. Oh yeah, it does. Show image message. There you are. Okay. So process message. We're gonna do this. Got Rickroll message. Yeah, the emulator. God, we need to talk about the emulator. Even Flutter, which is a Google developed thing, even Flutter doesn't work as well on the Android emulator as it does on the iOS emulator. So this is called Simulator on Mac. It works better on iOS than the Android emulator. Yeah, and it like I tried to do it on a MacBook Air. I can't run the Android emulator without like shutting down. I have another VM, an Xhive VM to run Docker. I had to shut that down. And to be fair, I mean, I use half of my memory on that for that VM, so that's to be fair. But my point is, it's such a heavyweight thing, and you have to run it next to Android Studio, which is another thing. It's crazy. Yeah, 5 to 10 minute Hello World test. Yeah, there's a reason why it's a simulator, not emulator. Fair enough. Yeah, fair enough. All right, so got Rickroll message. We want to hopefully print that out. Oh, cannot read property ID of undefined. I don't know what that's all about. Not even gonna worry about that right now. Show image. Oh, it's not Rickroll anymore. It's show image message. All right, let's try it again. We got to show image message, but we did not get to here. We did not print it out. MS Sage? What's MS Sage, Xenus? Oh, is it bot dot? Type is bot. Why are these http.chat message? HTTP, let's see, show image message. Oh, I did show image MSS. Thank you. Thank you, Xanus. Instead of show image message. Okay. Yes, thank you. Let's try this again. All right, Rickroll. Rickroll. It's the fully qualified type name. So does it have to be bot.showImageMessage? Because the other ones are HTTP. I'll try bot, I guess. I'm not I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why it would be different. Rick roll. Hey! Just in the nick of time. It's a little bit huge and a little bit it goes out of style. Kind of slow. Oh wait, no. That's a minute. It's based off the package your unique message type is in. Okay, well, we'll roll with bot for now. I'll move it later. So Rick stays around for a minute. Let's not do a minute. Let's do 2 seconds. Oh wait. Is my math off? Oh yeah, he doesn't stay around for a minute. He stays out for six seconds. Not 1 minute. Don't worry, this is like Twitch chat plays software developer. Yeah, but this is also like Twitch streamer plays software developer too, just to be fair. Alright, so we're gonna need to set height equals, I swear I've done this before. I did this in the Go search. I did image heights in Go search. It's in the front end somewhere. Oh no, yeah it is. It's in the front end somewhere. Source. App. Or is it? Yeah, height is 200. Okay. So we're gonna do that. See how this works. Refresh you. Rickroll all. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Is it gonna go away? Maybe. I don't know. Well, it's at least there. You can't take that away from it. It's at least there. Let's... Well, I mean, you can't rickroll another person then. It just you just keep rickrolling people over and over. You can't double rickroll someone, and I need to be able to double rickroll someone. That's just required. So, am I wrong? Like, isn't 1,000 milliseconds equal to 1 second, or am I just foolish? Source equals null, so that should take it away. Random position on web page, clear the solution. You got it. I know. I'm a smart, professional HTML, CSS, JavaScript developer. Edit the image to include the name of who's being rickrolled. Oof, yes. So we did send images to browser source. Send for the rickroll action, send name of the person being rickrolled. Right on. All right, I gotta bounce. Let me check this in. Rickroll works. Cool. All right, let me find someone to raid. Right on. Programming. I like Anthony Reich's code. Oh, there's some Flutter. I like. Oh man. All right, well, CM Griffin has fewer viewers, so let's raid him. CM Griffin G. All right, y'all. I'll be back. I am not going to be back on Friday. I'll be back Monday, 11 a.m. doing Go. Join up. Hope to see you there. Goodbye.